Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hi, this is Varsha and I'm the founder of Yoga Vriksha School of Yoga here in Chennai. I'd like to actually put forth a question to you all before I talk about what an asana practice has to be. Have you thought about setting an intention for your yogic practice? I'd like to bring your awareness, your attention towards the intention of your yogic practice. The word intention is actually called sankalpa in Sanskrit. The word sankalpa is nothing but a resolve, like a will, an affirmation. Every single time during your practice, when you feel like you're losing the will to go further, to really push yourself, the sankalpa is going to be there to anchor you and bring you back. Sit in a comfortable position, palms facing up. Make sure your spine is nice and tall. Now inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, roll your shoulders back and down, release. Relax the back of your neck, both your arms. Inhale through your nose, into your belly, into your chest, and exhale. Release. Relax your body. Inhale and exhale and relax. And set your sankalpa for today's practice, your intention. Why did you decide to step on your mat today? To understand how much strength there is and to build upon that strength through your practice. Now that we have set our intention, our sankalpa, we are going to start with something very, very simple for your body's warm-up. Wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and finger pulses. 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it going, keep breathing. Try and engage that navel, pull that navel into the spine. Last 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Inhale, both palms up into the sky. Now as you exhale, I want you to engage your upper back. Pull your elbows back and nice tight squeeze. Stay and come into your 6-point stance. Inhale, head up, drop your belly down and push your seat bone, your tailbone up to the sky. This is your cow pose, Bitilasana, and exhale now, push into a cat stretch. The cat stretch, Marjari Asana, push the mat. Inhale, alternate between the two asanas and exhale, push, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Make sure your knees are locked. Push your seat bones to the sky, chest to your toes. Back into 6-point stance. Vyagrasana, the tiger stretch, right leg up. Inhale, head up. Exhale, crunch your knee to your forehead. Nice tight squeeze in the abdomen. Switch your leg on the left side. Inhale. Exhale, working on that spine, warming up your spine. Get into your child's pose. That's your quick warm-up drill for before you can start your asana practice. Thank you.